Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing question 1 from a CBSE Class 10 paper. I'll leave the exact paper down below if you want to check that out. So as you can see, we've got the question in Hindi and English. So I'm going to be reading the English version of the question, and it says that the diameter of a wheel is 63 centimeters, the distance traveled by the wheel in 100 revolutions is, and it gives us 4 options. So just a reminder, this is the diameter of a circle. It is the length across the circle going through the middle. A revolution or rotation will be when the circle fully turns around once, or the wheel in this case. So we want to work out the circumference, which is the distance around the circle. So the circumference is going to be equal to diameter times pi, which in our case is going to be 63 pi centimeters. And this is because our diameter is 63 centimeters. So our distance, considering there's going to be 100 revolutions and we know the circumference, it's just going to be 100 times our circumference. So distance will be 100 times 63 pi centimeters. That's going to be equal to 6300 pi centimeters. And let's turn it into meters because our answer is going to be in meters. So we divide it by 100 and that gives us 63 pi meters. So as our answers are so far apart, you can see we've got 99, 63, 198, I decided to use an approximation for pi to make the calculations a bit easier, as this is, I believe, a non-calculator exam. So pi is equal to 3.14, but I used an approximate of 3. So the distance will be 63 meters times 3, which is 189 meters. Now we can already see the closest one is 198 meters. If you wanted to be a bit more accurate, you could say, well, 0.1, we could add a 0.1 of 63. That would be an additional 6.3 meters. And then when you do these kind of approximates, you can see the closest one is 198 meters. So hopefully that made sense. Hopefully it was clear. I appreciate I kind of did an approximation method here. If you do have any comments or questions, you can drop them down below and I'll get back to you there. Best of luck with your maths and thanks for watching.